Most homeowners know they need to change their filters, but rarely do they see what's actually going on inside the system. I'm Dalton, and today I'm going to walk you through our full spectrum duct cleaning process. We use the RotoBrush Beach Doctor.
It's a professional grade tool designed for precision. Watch how those soft bristles spin. They're tough enough to knock loose years of grime, but gentle enough to protect your ductwork. As the brush agitates the debris, a high-velocity vacuum instantly pulls it out. We aren't just moving dust around, we're removing it from your home entirely. A lot of companies just blow air through the vents. We take it a step further. We remove every single supply grill and sanitize them individually to ensure no spores or dust are left behind at the exit point. Now here's something most people miss: the duct boot connection. See the gap between the air distribution box and your drywall? This is a major entry point for hot, unfiltered attic air and humidity. We finish every job by sealing these penetrations with professional grade caulking. This creates a closed system, helping improve overall air quality and making your home more energy efficient.
At the end of the day, it's about more than just having clean vents. It's about a happy, healthier home. If you're ready to have your ducts cleaned, give us a call. We'd love to help.